Trees tall and river wide, mountains high and valleys wide.
Birds that sing and flowers bloom underneath the sun and moon.
Nature beauty everywhere in the gentle breeze and clean blue air.
In every leaf and blade of grass, a world of wonder as we pass.
Mountain strong and ocean vast, sunset painted never last.
Nature's gift both big and small. Our life is a miracle after all.
Good morning to respected Principal Sir, our jury, members and all my lovely juniors. Welcome to our much anticipated event, Nature Around Us.
Today we embark on a journey to celebrate the beauty and wonders that surround us.
From breathtaking landscapes to the smallest creature, nature offers us endless inspiration and joy.
Nature is like a soothing balm for mind and spirit, the freshness of flowers,
the vibrant colors of trees in autumn,
and rhythmic crashing of ocean waves.
All work together to create a peaceful heaven.
Every part of nature, whether it's chirping of bird at dawn,
or the quiet majesty of a snow-covered, tells a story of beauty and balance.
Do you know, Inaya, spending time in nature helps us feel refreshed and reminds us of simple joys and wonders that life offers.
Do you know, Divisha, that nature is not just our home, it is our greatest teacher. Through this competition, we aim to showcase the creativity and appreciation for nature that resides within each participant.
Today, we will witness presentations that reflect the awe-inspiring diversity of our planet, flora, fauna, and landscapes. There are few instructions for this competition. Number 1.
Participants are supposed to speak 8 to 10 lines in English about mountain, river, flower, butterfly or anything which connects them to nature.
Number 2. Each participant will get maximum 2 minutes to perform.
Uniform, concept, contact delivery and clarity and confidence.
Let's start this competition.
So our first participant is Dravya Jain from Comet House. And
good morning, Principal Sir, coordinator ma'am, teachers and all my friends. My name is Dravya Jain. I study in class 1st A. Our topic is I am water. I am water. I cover almost second and third part of the earth. I am very important for all of you. You use me different ways in everyday life. You need me for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, watering plants. Life is impossible without water. Please don't waste me, otherwise you will die without me. Please save me so that I can make your life beautiful. In the end, I want to say, save water, save life. Thank you.
Coordinator ma'am and all my dear friends. My name is Anika Nijawan. I study in 1st A class. My topic is butterfly. Butterfly is a beautiful and colorful insect. Butterfly has 6 legs, 4 wings, 2 antennae. Butterfly tastes food with feet. Butterfly move around the flower. Butterfly found during the daytime. Butterfly life is short. Butterfly so intelligent like ant. I love to watch butterfly in my garden. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir, coordinator ma'am, and all my dear friends. I study in class first A. Today is my topic is butterfly. Butterfly is a beautiful and colorful insect. Butterfly born out of egg. Butterfly has 6 legs, 4 wings and 2 antennas. Butterfly eat food with their feet. Butterfly flutter around the flowers. Butterfly wings are colorful like yellow, red and pink. Butterfly lives are short. Butterfly intelligent like ants. Everyone loves watching butterflies. Some people have the habit of collecting butterflies. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, and all my dear friends. My name is Iron South. I study in class first A. My topic is sun. The sun is the star. The sun gives you heat and light. The sun is the ball of fire. The sun I keep you warm. I am yellow in color. I am the brightest star. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Umar. I study in class first A. My topic is sun. Sun is a star. It gives us light, heat and energy. Sun is made up of gases. Sun rises in the east and sets in west. Sun is between in our solar system. Earth revolves around the sun. Sun makes my day happy. Thank you.
A very warm good morning, respected principals and teachers, all my dear friends. Myself, Naila, of class first day. Today I am going to speak few lines on butterfly. Natures are very beautiful. Everything around us like air, water, animal. This part of nature provide us beautiful butterfly. Butterflies are important for the nature. They pollinate plants in our garden. This helps fruits, vegetables and flowers to produce new seeds. I love to watch butterfly. So friend, nature is our best friend. It is our duty to keep nature wealthy and healthy. Thank you.
Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends. Today I will tell. My name is Nankrar. I study in first A. Today I will tell you the importance of flower in natural. Flowers are pretty and colorful. They come different shapes and sizes. Flowers like rose and daisy smells good. Bees and butterflies visit to flower, get seed nectar. They make our world beautiful. We see flowers in garden, park and on the side of the road. Some flowers open in the morning and close at night. People use flowers to decorate their homes. They make everyone smile. Thank you for listening.
I would like to begin with the most famous lines. For all the things that around us, big and small, for all the creatures on this earth, short and tall, for the lovely blue sky, sun, moon and all. Almighty nature, we thank you and to you call. Good morning everyone, myself Deshita Singh from class 1st A.
Today I am presenting some lines on nature around us. So the first question is, what is a nature? Nature is what you see all around us. So what you see all around us? Green trees, plants, blue sky, brown soil, animals, humans. These all things make together a nature. And the second question is, why is nature is important for us? Because we are a human and we not imagine our life far from the nature. The air we breathe, the water we drink, food we consume, shelter we live, clothes we wear might not possible without Mother Nature. Do you know that all things we use have a root in nature? So we take care of our Mother Nature as similar as Mother Nature take care of us. We should not pollute our environment. We should grow more and more trees. We should clean our ponds and rivers, and we should not use polybags. At last I say one thing, that we humans are searching life on Mars and polluting this Mother Nature. If we do same there also, we pollute Mars also. So it's better searching life on Mars and Moon. Please take care of our Mother Nature. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, and all my dear friends. My name is Manager from First Day is here to tell you about flowers. Flowers are one of the most beautiful gifts given to us by nature. Different colors and beautiful fragrance of it is what makes flower desirable to human beings. Different country has different natural flower. Lotus is the natural flower of our country, India. My favorite flower is sunflower. It is yellow in color and it always faces towards the sun. There are more than 60 varieties of sunflowers. Do you know that tallest goddess flower was more than 30 feet high? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Greek practitioner, ma'am, and my friends. Myself, Ikanch, from class first day. Today my topic is tree. Tree are our best friend. They make our earth green. They give us oxygen to breathe. Tree gives us fruit and vegetables. Thank you.
Morning, Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Maniprit Kaur of Class 1A. Today I will tell you about the mountains. Mountains are most beautiful part of nature. They are very big and tall. Mountains are covered with snow. They are main source of water and rivers. They play important role in water cycles. Many animals live in mountains. Many kind of flowers, trees and plants are found in mountain area. In this summer vacation, I went to Himalayas with my family. Here are some pictures. People are making these mountains very dirty. They throw plastic bottles and garbage. It is very dangerous for animals. The International Mountain Days is celebrated on 11 December. Thank you.
Morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Nirvan Bhutani. I study in first day. Today I am playing role of a little seed. I am a little seed in a soil. It is a dark and quiet air. Something is falling. What is this? Oh, it is a rain falling. Wow! Now I can see a beautiful world. Oh, the raining again. Wow, now I am a big plant with leaves and flowers. I grew from little seed into something big, and soon I will make a new seed. Now I am ready for another adventure. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Good morning, Principal Sir, coordinator ma'am, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Honeybee, honeybee, where is your home? On the tree, far away, called honeycomb. Today I, Javisika, of class first day, representing myself as an element of nature that is honeycomb. Honeycomb is a precious structure to store honey and protect their hive. It is very useful in nature. It is made up of many small hexagons. Bees make honey from the nectar of flower and store in a honeycomb. Honeycomb provides a safe and warm place for bees to live and grow. Do you know? Bees make perfect hexagons without using scales. Worker bees make the honeycomb. It's like a team building a big strong house. Each hexagon is like a tiny jar that holds honey. You know what? Honeycomb helps the bees survive in winters. Then flowers are stairs. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Morning, Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Dishani Sapla from class first day. My topic is trees. Today I am taught about trees. Trees are really important in our life. Trees give us shades and shelters. Trees are home for many birds and animals. Trees give us food and fruit. Trees make us more beautiful. No trees, there is no life on earth. So please plant the trees and save the trees. Thank you.
Morning, Principal Sir and coordinator ma'am. My name is Muhammad Moinuddin Khan. I study in first day. Today I will tell you my favorite story. My favorite story is Cat and Crocodile. Once our cat is playing. Crocodile will say, please come here. Cat is say, okay, I am coming. Cat is say, what is this? Crocodile is say, this is the racing point. Cat is say, I am also race participate. Crocodile say, okay. Cat is say, who participate? Crocodile is say, only me. Race start. Cat is very run fast and crocodile slowly run. Cat is say, I'm very sleepy. I'm 2 minutes nap. Cat is sleeping. Crocodile will running and cat is wake up and he say, oh no, crocodile will finishing line. Cat is very fast running, but crocodile is win. Cat is out. Thank you.
Principal sir and coordinator ma'am and all my dear friends. My name is Shubh Malhotra. I study in class first day. Today I am tell nature around us. I love exploring nature. Mountains are there, giant rocks that touch the sky. Rivers flow with fresh water. Trees are like giant green umbrella. They give us shade. The sky is big blue blanket with puffy clouds. Nature makes me feel excited and happy. We should take care of nature. Nature is a beautiful home. Thank you.
I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I am wet through, so are you. Hello everyone, myself Ilhan Firoz from class first A. Well, whenever I think of nature, I only think of rain. I love rain. It is said that God showered His blessings on earth in the form of rain. The trees appear more greener and brighter when soaked in rain. Rainy days bring relief from the scorching heat of the sun. On a rainy day, the air feels fresh. Rains are important for agriculture. Rainwater is used to generate electricity and for animals and plants to drink water. And many other ways. Anyways, I am feeling hungry now. I can't wait to eat my pakoras, which are a must to eat when during rain. Thank you.
Morning, Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, all my dear friends. My name is Siddhi Jain. I study in first A. We all are part of nature. Everything around us, nature. Nature provides us water to drink, food we eat, air to breathe, clothes we wear. I am a tree. I play very important role in nature. My body is brown in color and has green leaves on it. I also have colorful flowers which give good smell. I give healthy and yummy fruits which you all can eat. I give oxygen which you to all living beings. I give shade in summer. I am home for many birds, but people are cutting me. We are getting reduced number. You should help me and stop people from cutting me so that I can grow in nature. I give benefits. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anmol Dhinga, studying in class first day. My topic is river. We are blessed to be surrounded by beautiful nature. It makes our surroundings healthy and green. Rivers are an invaluable gift to human by nature. They form a very important part of our lives. I'll never slow down from the snow-capped mountain to the plains. They turn the areas through which they pass very fertile. Agriculture is done on these rich rivers plain. Water from these rivers is used for drinking, washing and irrigation. Boats and steamers are sailed on them, carrying people and goods from one place to another place where roads can't be built. For many people, they are a source of livelihood as they have a rich variety of fish which is caught and sold. Dams are built on the big rivers and water is supplied to the cities and towns. We can easily say these rivers are our lifelines. All of us should keep them clean. Thank you everyone.
Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, and all my dear friends. My name is Haya Fatima. I am from class 1st A. Today I am going to tell you about a beautiful insect of this nature, that is a butterfly. A butterfly is a flying insect with a small body and large open wings. Butterfly have 6 joint legs, a pair of antennae and 3 body parts called a head, chest and a tail. Butterfly do not sleep. They only rest and fold half wings. Butterfly taste and smell things with their feet. They are great for your garden and help fruits, vegetables and flowers to produce new seeds. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sharanya Kakkar. I study in class 1A. Today I will speak few lines on nature around us. Firstly, what is nature? Nature is a beautiful gift given by God. Nature gives us air, water, soil, etc. We should enjoy the nature without disturbing its balance. In Hindi, nature is called Prakriti. Nature includes mountains. Mountains are the most beautiful part of the nature.
Enjoy your 30 minutes stay.
Mountains are very wide and taller. Many people live in mountains areas. Mountains are the source of many rivers. International Mountains Day is celebrated on 11th December. Thank you and have a nice day. Morning, Principal Sir and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sakshi Chaudhary. I am studying in 1st A. My topic is rainbow. Rainbow is colorful. Rainbow appear after the rain. Rainbow made up of 7 colors. Color of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue and violet. Shape of the rainbow is semicircle. We call in Hindi rainbow Indradhanush. Thank you.
Good morning, Senior Principal Sir, Coordinator Ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Alianata from first day, standing before you all to share my thoughts about nature. Nature is mother of all. Nature is mother of all. Nature consists us air, water, flowers, mountains, animals, human beings, and many more things. Nature gives us to air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat. Saving our mother nature is the need. If we will take care of our mother nature, it will take care of us. We should keep our surrounding neat and clean. Thank you.